In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit images on Dola AI account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your app, then you want to go to the bottom middle and you want to tap on where it says create. And from here, you want to switch the image top left of this pop-up box. Now here you want to add the reference image, which you want to edit. So I'm going to tap on here and select this image over here as an example. And then where it says style over here, you can edit your style. So I'm going to make this one, for example, let's just do cartoon. And then over here, you can do, of course, different sizes. So I'm going to make it 2 by 3 over here. Then you can outpaint if you want to as well, or upscale. And then you want to describe the image you want. So I'm just going to type in here, for example, let's just do cartoon setting. Okay, of course, you can type in whatever you want. You can describe it. You can describe what edits you want to make. And whenever you're done, tap on the blue button top right of the search box, and it's going to go through and it's basically going to start editing your image. Okay, so as you can see right now, it said it's generating. You have to wait for a few seconds. This is going to load over here, and it's going to basically give you a result in just a few seconds. So of course, sometimes it may take a bit longer, like up to a minute or a bit more maybe, but usually it's actually quite quick. So there we go. As you can see, it's actually a portrait over here. It's a fun, brightly colored cartoon, and it has like a cartoon style, and that's exactly what I wanted. So of course, if you want to make any further edits, you can just tap on a specific image, and then from here you can see up top right, there's a few buttons. One of them is called edit, or you could also find the edit button over here, just below where you can see your image. It says edit. You can tap on that as well, and then from here you can edit whatever you want. So I'm going to type in, for example, make him have red hair. Okay, I'm going to now send this over here, and it's going to basically keep everything original, and it's going to change this man's hair to red while keeping the original aspect ratio. So it's always going to kind of give additional instructions to your prompt, but it's going to listen and it's going to create exactly what you want to create. So right now we'll see in a second what it's going to make. There we go. His hair is now red. Okay, so that way you can edit any image and edit however you want it inside Dola AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.